Alright, this is Wags Chicago doing a garden center update. I'm at a different one this time. See how that works? Garden center. If you watch my channel, you know what that means. This one's got special fencing also. See this? You got the tall doohickey right there, but then look, halfway down, they reinforced it from the middle down. It's got the where you can't even put your fingertips in there. See how this works? They're getting ready for the Christmas trees. And right above that sign right there is those 1,000 gigahertz little eyes in the sky, let's call it. Right there, see it at the tip, right to the right of the end. Right next to guard, you see those little eyeballs staring down all directions to make sure those Christmas trees are safe. Oh boy. Well, we'll be going inside. Yeah, garden center patrol. And look how these fences are. You can't see through that because it's so tight you can't even get your little fingernails in there. See how that works? They got to save the Christmas trees, you know, for the global heating or whatever they call that garbage. Oh, this looks creepy. And there's a lot of long, empty shopping malls here. I wonder where you could stack in there like little trailers or something. See how that works? I'll be back. Yeah, let's take a look. Maybe we'll just do the outside today because I already see this on the camera. Look at that doohickey right there. Those are the eyes in the sky. You know what a digital panopticon is? You're looking at one right there. I'm trying to focus on it. Look at this fencing. Look at, you can't get your fingers in there. Look how tight that is. See above, you can get your fingers and feet in the top one, not the bottom. Nice and reinforced. See how this works? Look at this. Oh, wait, stop. Look at this security door. For what? The Christmas trees? See how that works? That's like I'm not gonna say. That's like to get your food in and out. That's coming from the grocery stores right now. Yeah. All I need to see is the refrigerated trucks and the body bags back here. That would have been hilarious. See how that works? Let's just pretend those are cases of body bags. That they're not. I'm just saying if this was a movie. See how that works? Oh, crap. That's it for now.